This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then jack up the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Remove the upper and lower rear brake caliper guide pin bolts. On some models, the lower caliper guide pin cannot be completely removed unless the rear lower control arm is raised slightly upward with a floor jack. Raise the lower control arm enough to allow for the removal of the lower guide pin. Then remove the caliper from the mounting bracket and hang it with a length of wire. Don't allow the caliper to hang by the brake hose. To make room for the new brake pads, depress the caliper piston into its bore by using a C-clamp and a block of wood, or an old brake pad. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of the caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it does not overflow. If necessary, remove some of the fluid to prevent overflowing. Properly discard the fluid removed, as new brake fluid of the correct type must be used when refilling the reservoir. Remove the outer and inner brake pads from the mounting bracket. Remove the upper and lower brake pad retaining clips. Inspect the retaining clip mounting surface on the caliper mounting bracket. Make sure it is free of debris and clean it if necessary. Install the pad retaining clips to the mounting bracket. They should fit snugly into the respective grooves. If they don't, replace them with the correct type. If the new pads are not supplied with new backing plates, remove the backing plates from the old pads to be transferred to the new pads. If desired, apply anti-squeal compound to the new pads, then install the backing plates. Install the new inner and outer pads to the mounting bracket. Install the caliper onto the mounting bracket. Clean the caliper guide pin bolts, then lubricate them with high-temperature brake grease. Replace any guide pins that are damaged. Install the guide pins into the mounting bracket. Tighten the caliper guide pin bolts to the specified torque setting. The floor jack can now be removed. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Repeat this procedure on the remaining rear brake pads. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid, if necessary, until the fluid reaches the max mark in the reservoir.